lowest, break down, but dust yourself up and keep serving God. Children of God, this is my personal story. We already had a church with over 100 members, or there were like 100 people coming. But we closed it down. Mistake number 3, most of the sheep scattered. We had built foundations. Right now, ministry is like I'm still in the baby steps today because I stopped it at that junction. I beg you, regardless of what you're going through, keep pushing. God is with you. He will never leave you. He will never forsake you. I wish, I wouldn't want to say that, but I wish I had someone to talk to me. You don't stop your life. Now I know better. I was childish. So don't allow yourself to pass through what I passed through. You see, the Bible says you may pass through the waters, but you may pass through the fire, but the fire will not burn you. You may pass through the floods, you may feel like you're drowning, but you will not drown. The good Lord will always hold your hand. I tell people, God glued me together. He's the best super glue. I know you're going through pain and you feel betrayed. Keep pushing. Just keep pushing. Keep serving. Along the way, you will understand why you went through everything you went through. You will understand why. It's not an easy journey, I won't lie to you. But how I wish I didn't stop. But I thank God I stopped, because today you can correct that mistake. Maybe your child has died and you need time out to mourn. Let me tell you something. Mourn behind the closet. Go to work. Go open your business. And don't stop. I urge you, I beg you, don't stop. You stop when you die. Everything ends when you die. And when you go 6 feet under. But until then, keep pushing. Push your vision. Push your talent. Push your ministry. Birth it and rebirth it and rebirth it. Why? Because God moves from glory to glory to glory. So whatever you're birthing, move it from glory to glory, from precept upon precept. I just wanted to encourage you, and that is why I did this one-on-one. God is so faithful. May He give you the strength to forge forward. May He give you the tenacity. May the Spirit of God never depart from you. And when you feel like giving up, remember there's a girl called Rahab who once encouraged you. You can call me, you can text me. I'm always a phone call away. But keep pushing. You may feel like they want to demote you. Keep pushing. You may feel like you want to throw in the towel. Keep pushing. It's gonna work. He knows the end from the beginning. Your end is greater than where you are. I love you so much. This was a heart-to-heart talk, me and you. I hope you're blessed. God bless you, and lots of love from my family to you. God bless you. Shalom.